Look here, champions of construction and masters of machinery. Today, we're diving into a tale of two titans, the Huddig 1370 and its electrifying sibling, the 1370T. These aren't your grandpa's backhoe loaders. They're like the superheroes of the construction world, equipped with capes made of steel and hydraulic oil. If you've ever wondered what happens when Swedish engineering meets comic book heroism, you're in for a treat. So grab your hard hats and let's get ready to explore the machines that make other construction equipment green with envy, or should I say, electric with excitement. Buckle up, because we're about to lift, dig, and drive through the details that make the Huddig 1370 and 1370T the ultimate dynamic duo of dirt and development. Huddig 1370. Let's cut to the chase and talk about the Huddig 1370, a machine that's redefining the construction site game. This isn't just a backhoe loader, it's the king of the terrain. Equipped to tackle any challenge thrown its way, making other machines look like they're playing in a sandbox. Imagine a machine so powerful it makes your truck look like a toy, yet so versatile it could be the Swiss Army knife of construction. Powered by a Cummins 6.7 liters turbocharged diesel engine, the Huddig 1370 boasts 157 horsepower of raw power and a torque that's through the roof. It's environmentally conscious too, running on HVO fuel, proving brawn and brains can coexist. But power isn't its only play. Versatility is where the 1370 shines. With a reach extending over 7.2 meters and lifting height above 4.3 meters, it's designed to reach places others can't. And with a slewing torque boosted by 40%, it maneuvers with the grace of a dancer but the strength of a heavyweight. Tech-wise, the 1370 is the construction equivalent of a smart gadget. Its hydrostatic transmission and advanced hydraulic system offer unparalleled efficiency and control. The cabin? A command center that boasts improved HVAC, digital displays, and customizable controls ensuring comfort and precision. The Flex Leveler system introduces a level of control customization unheard of in heavy machinery, allowing operators to juggle hydraulic functions with ease. This machine isn't just about digging and lifting. It's about doing so with precision and efficiency. Dimension-wise, the 1370 is a giant, stretching almost 9 meters long and standing over 3 meters tall, ready to assert its dominance on any site. Yet, it's designed for the future, ready to integrate with IoT for real-time data and optimized performance. The Huddig 1370 isn't just another backhoe loader. It's a testament to Swedish engineering, combining power, versatility, and innovation. It's about making a statement that when it comes to construction, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. Whether you're building roads, erecting structures, or moving mountains, the Huddig 1370 is the partner that stands by your side, proving that in the dirt game, it's not just about digging deep, it's about playing to win. Huddig 1370T. Alright, gearheads and dirt kings, let's shift gears and talk about the Huddig 1370T, the electric brother of the 1370 and how it's changing the game in the construction world. Imagine if Thor's hammer was a construction machine. That's the 1370T for you. It's like the 1370 went to college, majored in sustainability, and came back with superpowers. The Huddig 1370T, ladies and gentlemen, is not your average backhoe loader. It's what you get when you cross a tank with a Tesla. It's the brainchild of Swedish innovation, bringing electrification to the construction site without sacrificing the muscle. So let's dig into what makes the 1370T similar to its sibling, the 1370, but also what sets it apart in the heavy machinery family tree. First off, both the 1370 and the 1370T boast that Swedish strength and durability that Huddig is famous for. They share a similar design philosophy focused on versatility, power, and operator comfort. Both machines come equipped with the Flex Leveler system, allowing for customizable control over a multitude of hydraulic functions. And of course, they both have the ability to extend their reach and lift with the grace of a ballet dancer and the strength of a heavyweight boxer. Now for the differences. And buckle up because the 1370T is where it gets futuristic. While the 1370 runs on diesel with an eco-friendly option to use HVO fuel, the 1370T takes it a step further into green territory with its Tigon technology. This hybrid powerhouse can run on pure electricity for up to 2 hours. That's right, 2 hours of whisper-quiet, emission-free operation, making it the ninja of construction sites. You could practically work in a library without anyone shushing you. But don't think for a second that going electric means compromising on power. The 1370T combines a diesel engine with electric motors, delivering a combined punch of 190 horsepower when in power mode. It's like having your cake and eating it too, with the added bonus of reduced fuel consumption and lower CO2 emissions. And with its ability to recharge the battery while working, the 1370T is always ready for overtime. Let's talk specs because size and strength matter. Both machines share a similar size, but the 1370T tips the scales a bit heavier thanks to its advanced hybrid tech. It also pushes the boundaries with a maximum speed of 50 km per hour in its electric mode, outspacing its diesel counterpart and making it the Usain Bolt of backhoe loaders. In the cabin, the 1370T takes operator comfort to the next level, with an upgraded HVAC system initially designed to cool its battery but now also ensuring the operator stays chill under pressure. And with its silent operation mode, you can say goodbye to noise complaints and hello to working in peace. To wrap it up, the Huddig 1370T is not just another machine. It's a statement. It's Huddig's bold step into the future, proving that power and sustainability can go hand in hand. It's for the builders, the dreamers, and the doers who believe in doing the job right while taking care of our planet. And isn't that something we can all dig? Well, folks, we've dug deep into the world of Huddig, unearthing the marvels of the 1370 and its electrifying counterpart, the 1370T. Like a superhero team that leaves no stone unturned, these machines show us that when it comes to construction, the future is now, and it's electrifyingly awesome. Remember, whether you're moving mountains or making molehills out of them, the Huddig 1370 and 1370T are your go-to guys, ready to tackle any challenge with power, precision, and a bit of electric flair. So next time you're on the job and you see one of these beasts at work, give a nod of respect. You're witnessing the champions of the construction world in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell like you're smashing through concrete with a Huddig. Because here, we're all about digging into the coolest, most powerful machines on the planet. Until next time, keep building your dreams one scoop of dirt at a time. Thanks for watching, and let's keep constructing a better world together. Powered by muscle and might, diesel and dynamism, and a touch of electric magic. Catch you on the next build, builders.